Oh, hey guys, I want to go ahead and talk to you guys a little bit about our car right now. It's not doing so good. So great way to kick off the new year, huh? Stay tuned.
Self-destruct sequence activated.
Hey guys, I want to go ahead and talk to you a little bit about our car. I really don't bring up my personal life right now, of what has been going on with our car. But basically, what I'm going to tell you is going to be a little weird. Our car has been acting up for a little while now. It's been off. It's been on the side of the road for like a little bit right now. It's been parked for a little while because of this. And this is the battery that came out of the car, and you can actually see it is all corroded. It is bad. It is gone. It's just plain old gone. So that is why I want to talk to you a little bit of this. Now, you're probably thinking, well, Josh, do you have a jumper? Yes, I do got a jumper. I will show you guys that in another video. But today, I want to go ahead and talk to you a little bit about our car. I thought it was the battery because the battery has died. So I put a new battery in it. It finally started up, but it took a little while for it to start up. And the motor didn't sound right. And I'm thinking, I wonder why. So before I even replaced the battery, my dad happened to check our oil, and he said there's no oil in it, nothing whatsoever. So I got some oil, put it in the motor, and it's been sitting out there for a while till we actually got a battery. And when we finally got a new battery, I happened to put the new battery in. And that's basically what is going on right now. So, Crypto, you better not be getting nothing in there, bud. Be good. Crypto's always acting up. So, after I put the new battery in, it started right up. I put it in gear, and I start going real slow to where we normally park it. And normally we park it right behind here, close to us, and that's basically it. Well, when I was trying to give it some gas, it didn't want to get no gas. It did want to be slow. It didn't want to get no throttle. But then another thing happened. The battery gauge was going down more and more. It was not getting a charge. It's probably the generator on it. Probably stopped working. I'm not for sure. But if it was oh my goodness, I'm trying to think for a minute. If it was oh man, I can't even think right now. If it was a starter, it wouldn't even want to start when we try to jump it. We jumped it a whole bunch of times when we had this battery right here. It started right up, no problem. It just took a little while for it to charge, but something was wrong with the car itself. Then we happened to have it towed to the dealership right now. We haven't heard nothing back from it yet. They're still looking at it. I will keep you guys uploaded into the next video. So yeah, that happened last week. I'm recording this, like when you guys are watching this happens like weeks ago, but yeah, I don't know what's going on with the car. We have exactly a 2012 Chevy Traverse LS. That's what we have. Now, I know the motor inside of it. I know the motors are crappy. It's a crappy vehicle. It doesn't get real good of a mileage. It takes a lot of gas. But basically, I just don't like the car at all. I don't know, it just makes me mad. It makes me upset that this thing does not want to work half the time. So, I don't know if we're going to abandon it and just give it to the loan what we took it out with and just say, hey, we can't really do that. It doesn't really want to work. We can't afford fixing it right now. So I know we have the car into the loan. So maybe here, have it. I don't care. I don't need it. I don't own a car. I don't want to have a car that I need a license for. Now, so I don't know what's going to go on, guys, but hopefully you guys enjoy this video right now of what's going on. But if you guys leave a message down below about the way, if you guys have this kind of problem, let me know in the comments down below what's going on. Plus, every time when the battery did die, it did want to start, but there was smoke coming out from the engine. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it could be. I don't no idea. So, I'm just going to go ahead and just conclude this video. Hope you guys like it. And remember to leave a like. I want to go ahead and end this video. See you guys next time.